What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So what you just saw was me getting the inside of my 4Runner ready to sleep in tonight. So I had to pull the seat cushion out on this side because when the seat cushions fold up, it folds up to right here, and when I lay in here it's too short, so I take the seat cushion out on this side so I can put my legs all the way up to the passenger seat here. This board here I built last fall. This just levels this out, and then I'll put my sleeping pad right on top of this and sleep on this side, and then all my other gear will go on that side. However, in today's video I'm also going to be cooking inside the car, and I'm going to be stealth camping in the city. So I got to pack up a couple more things and we'll be good to go. I'm going to go find a spot. Alright, so I got the cooking supplies in this bag. Hopefully everything I need. My window covers, sleeping bag, pillow, blanket for tonight. Alright, so I think I got a place picked out that would be a good spot to stealth camp for the night. So I'm going to head over there and I will show you guys once I get there. Alright, I think I got a spot here. It's kind of in a mixed use area, a little bit of residential, a little bit of commercial / industrial. So I think it'll be a good spot. There's other cars parked here on the street with me, so I want to show you guys how dark it can get in here with those window covers that I made. Alright, so that's how bright it is outside. And when I slide this in here, there's definitely light coming through, but it's definitely dark enough to sleep in here if you had to during the day. Originally, I was planning to cook right here, but I might actually do it right here because this is just as flat and probably wouldn't be a bad thing if I spill a little. It's on this WeatherTech floor liner. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Got the window open here so when I start cooking it doesn't get all smelly in here and gives me a little bit of fresh air. Plus it's getting a little warm in here. So I'm gonna set up my cooking stuff here and get that ready. First I'm gonna cook up the noodles here. Then I'm gonna cook up the cheese sauce. Then I'm going to fry up that shrimp with a little bit of butter and garlic and throw that in there. All right, so I'm gonna add a little more milk now that that's gone. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of flour. All right, this is starting to thicken up pretty good here. It'll thicken up even more when I add some cheese. So we're gonna turn that down just a little bit more. Add some cheese and a little bit of butter. It's looking really good, actually. You know what I just realized? I'm making the cheese sauce, but I should have made the noodles first. I think it'll be all right. We're gonna add a little bit of truffle. Maybe just a pinch more milk so it's not so thick. A little bit of salt. Garlic and herb. Okay. And then some pep. Alright, I got my cheese sauce here. Actually turned out pretty decent. I'm kind of impressed. I only used the pizza blend, but It tastes pretty good, so I think I'm gonna pour this into my other pot here. I'm gonna let that sit while I cook the noodles. As soon as that sun goes down, it's gonna... Those are almost ready. Yep. Probably maybe another minute. Okay, now so we're gonna dump our water. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter into this pan. In here, I've got probably about 3 cloves of garlic, and then probably about 4 or 5 large shrimp. Gonna fry that up. That smells so good. Well, let's give it a try. Shrimp Alfredo. Gotta be honest, I kind of impressed myself. I downloaded some, I think I downloaded How I Met Your Mother on off of Amazon Prime, so probably gonna turn some of that on. Well, I ate that pretty quickly. Whew. That was really freaking good. So I'm just gonna chill out the rest of the night and watch some more How I Met Your Mother. It's cooled off quite a bit already, so probably crawl in the bag here in a little bit and go to bed. So I'll pick you guys up in the morning.
Morning, guys. I think it's about 7 a.m. $37. Actually slept pretty good. Only woke up a couple times, but that's normal for me, so didn't have any issues during the night. The traffic died down after like maybe 2 a.m. So overall wasn't too bad. I'm gonna start packing things up and heading home because I'm a little bit cold. Oh, the first thing I need to do is find my socks. My toes are cold. Well, I got all the window covers off. And I got the heat pumping. Let me know down below if you like this video, and maybe I can do some more content like this. If you have any ideas, drop a comment. Till then, catch you guys in the next one.